Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're doing a quick unboxing video, unbagging video, I guess, for the GORUCK Rucking Challenge patch for the month of January. They started off 2019 really crazy by having these free events where you sign up, you do them virtually on your own time. January's was 50 miles in the first 15 days, and they send you a patch in the mail for free. And here it is. USPS first class package mail, which means this thing probably costs them about $3 to ship. On top of that, it's probably about $1 to $2 for the patch. And so they're handing out $5 per person for everyone who registered, which is wild to me. I'm really excited they're doing this, and I hope it pays off for them somehow because it has to be expensive. Packing slip for the return in case you don't want the free patch. We've got a GORUCK sticker, which is always a plus. Usually end up with one of these in every order. This one's really nice. It's different than some of the other ones I've gotten in the past, but it seems like it would make for a great laptop sticker. We've got the insert. This is GORUCK logo on this side, obviously, and then flip it over. You've got the story of how Jason founded GORUCK, where GORUCK came from, and all that good stuff if you don't know it yet. And then finally, we've got the patch right here. 50 miles, 2019 GORUCK Resolution Ruck. This thing is awesome that they did this. Patches aren't the most expensive thing to make, but they're also not the cheapest. So the fact that they're paying for the distribution, the shipping, the postage, all that stuff is really cool. Here's a quick peek at it. Hopefully the focusing picks up. Cover my face so it knows. Go for the patch. There we go. It's got 50 miles of Spearhead 2019 GORUCK Resolution Ruck. Awesome patch. GORUCK's been running these monthly challenges. The first month, obviously Resolution Ruck. Second month was the 1 mile a day for all 28 days of February. Third month is Ruck Your Dog. Excited to see if they keep doing it. If they stop, hopefully they keep doing it. But either way, hopefully you're able to be a part of this. If you were and you got your miles in, let me know how that went for you. And if you weren't able to take part in it, then hopefully they do it again, maybe January 2020. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing. We've got tons of rucking related content on here, a lot more to come. Truly appreciated. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive and drink hard, ruck harder.